Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain about wait, case and null statements in VHDL. So first one is wait statement. Wait statement. A process statement may be suspended by means of a sensitivity list. Suppose you are writing a code in VHDL, we know very well process statement is there. So process means we are writing the code in behavioral model. In that behavioral model, when the process is going on, if you want to wait the program for some time like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, then we can use this wait statement irrespective of any conditional statements. So a process statement a process statement may be suspended suspended means for some duration, suspended by means of a sensitivity list, by means of a sensitivity list. So the wait statement provides the wait is a keyword. Wait statement provides an alternative way to suspend the execution of a process, to suspend the execution of a process instead of completely stop the process. So there are three basic forms of wait statement. There are three basic forms of wait statement. So there are three basic forms. The first one is wait on sensitivity list. First one is wait. Wait is nothing but a keyword which has to be written in the same way. Wait on sensitivity list. Sensitivity list. So here we have to write sensitivity list like A, B, C, D, like that. Whatever the inputs are there, those inputs are known as sensitivity list. So wait on sensitivity list. That means wait on A, B, C, example like that. And wait until Boolean expression. Wait until Boolean expression. That means one Boolean expression may be there like A and B, A or B. Whenever that Boolean expression says 1, that particular wait operation is going to be happen. Okay, until then there is no waiting period. The process will be executed as it is. So whenever that Boolean expression gives 1 logic high, then waiting will be done. So wait on sensitivity list, wait until Boolean expression, and wait for some time expression like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, like that. Directly we will mention the amount of time for the waiting period. So wait on sensitivity list until Boolean expression for some time duration is also there, which comprises of all these three. So all three together can also be used as C. Wait on sensitivity list until Boolean expression for time expression. That means wait on A until some AB for time like 5 seconds or something like that. Okay, so example wait on sensitivity list A, B, C like that. Next, wait until some A is equal to B. So whenever some A and some operations are performing on A and B, whenever the number A and B are equal, the sensitivity lists are equal, then the particular waiting will be done. And wait for 10 nanoseconds. Directly we are giving some time. Wait on clock until some greater than 100. Wait on clock. So clock is nothing but a sensitivity input. So wait on clock until this particular value is achieved. So until some expression, Boolean expression, sum may be greater than. Sum is a value which always increments its value, and whenever the value is greater than, just reaches above 100, automatically the waiting operation is performed. This line is executed. Okay, or we can also say, we can split that statements into two parts. The last one, which what we have seen here, this can be written in two different ways, like wait on sensitivity list until some Boolean expression, again wait until some greater than 100 for 50 nanoseconds, like that also we can write. So we can split and we can write based on our requirement. Okay, this is regarding wait statement. Next one is case statement. Case is very important. Case statement. So case statement, let us see the syntax. Case, some expression, case expression. So here we will write generally case yes, case some value, okay, case some sensitivity input A, B, C, D, like that. Okay, case expression when choices implies sequential statements. Again, when choices sequential statements. So all these, there are several number of choices irrespective of no count, because suppose if, for example, if you are taking some yes is a selection line that may be having, suppose 3 input selection line is there for a multiplexer of 8x1, then 000 to 111 are the choices. So when 000 output is equal to O0 or I0, when 001 output is equal to I1, like that we will write up to 8 choices. And the last one should be when others is the last statement in the case expression. Okay, without others, if you write when choices and if you finish the program, it shows an error that case is not completed. Okay, case is said to be completed if you write when others. So when others, sequential statements. After that, end case. Okay, end case says that the case is completed. Okay, the case statement selects one of the branches for execution based on the value of the expression. This is what I said. Okay, for example, in 8x1 multiplexer, case yes is should be there. Case yes is when, let us consider a 4x1 multiplexer. 4x1 multiplexer has two selection lines. So 00 implies 00 should be kept in quotations. So when 00 output y is equal to some I naught. When 0 1, y is equal to I1, and similarly when 1 0, output is equal to I2. Now actually the output is the last case is 1 1. Okay, last case is 1 1 for two inputs, 0 0 0 1 1 0 is over, and the last one is 1 1. So instead of taking 1 1, you can simply write others, because that is only the case left. Y is equal to I3. Otherwise, if you want to write clearly, explicitly that 1 1 also here, then 1 1 in quotations and y gives I3. After that, you have to write again when others, some y naught is equal to 0, like that. Okay, thus that others case should be there. Otherwise, the case is not end case. Okay, this is the case statement. And the last one is null. The meaning clearly tells that there is nothing. Null. The null statement is a sequential statement a sequential statement that does not cause any action to take place and execution continues with the null with the next statement. That means for null statement, no action is performed. Just simply we will write null. For null statement, no action is performed. For null statement, no action is performed. Okay, so this is what case, null and wait statements. Thank you.